And that's what we call as the queen, the dimple queen of Karnataka. Yes, RR Insta official. And now the time, RR, Rauf and Rahim and Riyaz, RR, Rachita, Ram. What a combination here. That's a beautiful thing. All are RR. And we do have got triple R here, the three directors, Rauf, Rahim and Riyaz. That's beautiful. Now it's time, are you ready here? Let's start. Mr. Unnithan, where are you? You're there? Yes. So, Mr. Unnithan, the general manager, the team leader, the man from last 25 years, who has with Sultan Diamonds and Gold, the vision and mission. And now, here we go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Congratulations. Congratulations. And I request Rachita Ranji to